If your air conditioner runs continuously or inefficiently after cleaning, start by checking for a simple reinstallation or power issue before assuming a bigger fault. First, verify that the exterior cover and fan were reinstalled correctly and that all mounting screws are snug but not over-tightened. Next, confirm power is restored at both the thermostat and the outdoor disconnect. Some systems require turning breakers off and on after service to reset controls. Inspect the outdoor coil fins for any bending caused during cleaning and carefully straighten them with a fin comb to restore airflow. Check the condensate drain and pan for blockages because a clogged drain can trigger safety switches that affect compressor operation in some systems. Look for any mist debris inside the unit, like grass clippings or nesting material that can spin in the fan or block airflow, and remove it with a soft brush. Finally, measure return and supply airflow by feel and temperature drop across the evaporator. A properly functioning system typically delivers a temperature drop of around 17 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, so if you do not have that drop, consider calling a technician for refrigerant or compressor checks. Common mistakes include failing to reseat the access panel so the fan shroud is misaligned, which reduces fan efficiency. Fix this by loosening and realigning, then securing the panel so the fan spins freely. Another issue is not restoring the thermostat or circuit power after service, which makes the unit run on backup modes or not cycle correctly. Always verify thermostat settings and flip the disconnect or breaker off then on if needed. A third concern is assuming cleaning solved everything when there could be a refrigerant leak or compressor fault. If you still see poor temperature differential after the basic checks, contact an HVAC professional for diagnostic testing and do not attempt refrigerant work yourself. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and discover user experiences related to cooling and heating work. We connect contractors with project opportunities and host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.